description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that was sent by James of Lakeside, California. Thanks, as always, man. This is this is made in Vietnam. It's made for Europe, I believe. I really don't know. It's in English, Spanish, and Portuguese. They do a lot of export. But this one, I think, is usually export for Poland. So, but regardless, it's made in Vietnam, and it's a chicken curry, so that sounded good. And, yeah. So that's what's going on. That is what is going on, and we're going to kick it in. This is the first review. Is it the first review I'm doing this week? It might be the second day of reviewing. It's been kind of weird. It's been really hot here. And now we got the unfortunate news. I got up to use the bathroom last night and I noticed my wife was very, very into having the AC on and it wasn't on. I'm like, huh, that's a little strange. And then she said, I got some bad news. The AC is not working right. So our AC has been working great for ages. And the only problem is at one point, it started to leak. It's a standalone unit. It just sits in here. But unfortunately, now, it doesn't want to do as it should, and it leaks like bad. It's been working extra hard this week. Yesterday it got up to 95 outside, so it's doing more. Hey, there's the spoon of justice and of ubiquity. But yeah, so we're in the market for a new AC. Because summer isn't over for us here. I know it is for you in December. But I'm recording this. I'm this far ahead, folks. It is August 13th, 2025 right now. At the moment. For me. So is everything exploded? Are you even able to watch this? I hope so. I like Christmas. I like New Year's. So yeah, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm hoping that pretty quick I'll be getting my new lens for my camera and then taking stunning photos for you to enjoy. I like stunning photography. It's only 8:50 a.m. Usually I start around 9, but I wanted to get this done before the heat of the day, and I figured getting going even earlier than normal would probably be a good idea at this juncture. I was going to do a mukbang for the third one I'm doing, but I think what I'm going to do is I've got a special one that's going to release on New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve ends in a 1, so that, and then New Year's Day is a 1, like 31 and 1. I don't, if it's like that, I skip a day. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the mukbang on the 1st, so like at midnight, the first content I'll put out will be the mukbang. I'll do it like 12:10, so you know. You can pretend to enjoy your deal, and then you know, for the coming of the new year. And on the other one, yeah, anyways, I'll do it the day before. But yeah, muckety bungety. Yeah. The first one I'm going to do up real nice, and then I'll redo it. That doesn't look as great, you know, but I'll just do it straight, and then I'll chug it down, and you can see. I don't know. I have a feeling the one that I was thinking of doing a mukbang of, what's the point? It's not going to be all that spicy, but I don't know. It's a thing to do. People like that. I like to do stuff for you. My gift to you in the new year. But, you know, let's give her a try. This is Golden Chicken Curry by Vifon. Here we are. So this is one of those issues I call a separation of church and state. The noodle and the broth, it's like I really don't taste anything in the noodle of the broth. Well, let's see how the broth is. Wow. It's kind of bland, I'll have to admit. Yeah, that was 400 mils, I was right. So, it's golden, it's curry. Very subtle. I don't know, I'm a sucker for oomph, and this just doesn't have it. It's oomphless. But let's put it all together and see what we end up with, right? Oh, I hope I didn't lose that. It's golden, it's curry. Now what's great with curry? I'll tell you what's great with curry. Knowing where I put my it's gone. Dagnabbit, where did I put that? What a pain. I had something picked out specifically for this. Hold on. There, I had it over there. A little sprig of mint. Some freshly sauteed chicken. Yeah, I think I'll go light on this. Sesame seed? No. Looks alright. What's going on there? Is that lighting? That's lighting. Well, rotate, enjoy it, watch it go. Alright, well thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is one that I picked up at 99 Ranch Market. This is Baixiang and their yummy soup. Pickled cabbage fish flavor. You like pickled cabbage? You like fish? This will have that flavor. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Right?